Hey guys, it's Hannah from the Not Twins. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is my winter lookbook. So let's just get right into it. My absolute favorite character in all of the Marvel Universe is Spider-Man. Tom Holland's Spider-Man. So I was inspired to do a Spider-Man outfit, which was placed in winter because that's when I bought it. I just bought this like a week ago. So this is the top. It has like the Spider-Man print on it, which I thought was really cool, and it's a stripe that represents Spider-Man. And then I just have a simple black tank top on underneath because why not? Then to go with it, I have just a simple pair of jeans that are at the ankle. I have my black flats that I got from Payless. I got these jeans, as you come back up, I got these from Old Navy. And then I got this blazer from Macy's. Here's the back. One back around to the front. And this tank top is super old, so it's just a tank top.
It was Old Navy though.
Yeah, it was Old Navy.
Transition.
Okay, so moving on to the next outfit. Ta-da! This is my second outfit of my winter lookbook. This is my cozy outfit, as that's what I'd like to call it. So I just have a simple winter scarf. It is the plaid classic gray colors. And then I have, I'm gonna take this off to show you guys because it's so awesome. And I have my Liberty University sweatshirt, which you guys did not know, but I'm 16 and I'm actually in college. Online Liberty University student, which is totally awesome. So I'm just sporting my school logo in my favorite color for winter, which is not Carly's favorite orange, but it's like a burnt light red. And it's super soft and it has long sleeves for my long arms. Anyways, so, and it's kind of long and it has like the clinched bottom, so it like stays when I lift my arms up. So anyways, that's a cool feature. And I'm wearing my same pants from Old Navy. So just a simple blue jeans, my favorite. And then my Uggs from Costco!
Yeah.
Costco Uggs! They're just super warm and fuzzy, and they keep my feet warm for the winter because it's cold here in California right now. So that is my second outfit. Now moving on to the third one. Ta-da! This is my third outfit of my winter lookbook. This is actually a very common winter color. It is a light pastel baby pink. So it's actually really nice because it's one of my favorite colors as well, being a ballerina and all. It's like a ballerina color. And it's super duper soft, which is nice to like lounge in or go out when I have to run errands and stuff. And it has the pockets that go through and a hoodie, which I really love as well because it keeps my head warm. So it's really just a classic winter pullover jacket, if that's what you'd call it. And so moving on down, it is actually quite low, which I really like. Same in the back. So I still have on the same pair of Old Navy jeans because I just love Old Navy jeans. There's no other way to say it. And then I have my Costco boots. They're just super comfy and easy to slip on when I need to go just like run an errand because I can drive too. And so that was my third outfit of my winter lookbook. Now moving on to the fourth outfit. Yes! This is my fifth outfit from my winter lookbook. This is one of my favorite things to just wear anywhere. It's like an anywhere outfit because it makes me feel really cool. So this is like one of those cropped sweaters with the winter colors of black, white, and deep mahogany red. Maroon. And it has a hoodie in the back, as you can see. You see the hoodie?
Yeah, put it on, girlfriend.
Put the hoodie on.
Woo! And I was just gonna say that.
Okay, and then it has the long sleeves where you can pull them again like this. I really enjoy that. And if I didn't say before, it is cropped, which is like trendy right now. Even though it's winter, people wear cropped sweaters. This is from Macy's, which is where I get my cool clothes. Yeah. And so now I have a new pair of jeans on, and if you watch Carly's video, you will see that these are the exact same pair. So these are from Tilly's. They have a cool stripe down the middle, which is something I've never seen before. And I actually really think it's awesome. And then I am sporting those cool shoes again.
What are those flats?
They're loafers. Flats or loafers. They're black and simple and go with everything. So that was my fourth outfit. Now I'm going to move on to my fifth outfit. Going this way.
Oh yes, go, keep going.
Coming back in with the rope. Yeah. So this is the next outfit. It is one of my more fancy looking outfits that I own. So I'm starting off with this simple black sweater cardigan that I got from Old Navy. It's very nice, long. It's long like the cape that explained in her video. And I really like the long ones when I'm going more fancy because it just feels more dressy. And then I have a simple tank top on underneath. I got this from Old Navy as well. It's like a tank top at the top, as you can see. But then when you come down, it's like flowy. It's more dressy for a tank top. So the color is like a mesh of gray and gold, which are very, very popular for winter colors. And then I'm moving on down to my pants, which are the same ones that I wore last time. They're the ones from Tilly's with the stripe down the middle. I quite enjoy them. I have these super awesome boots from Payless. They are combat boots, but like on another scale. It's fancy, but you can also dress it down and you can dress it up. It's like the best thing ever. So this is my fancier outfit of numbers. But I don't remember the next number, so sorry guys. I'm moving on to the next one.
Moving on.
Goodbye. Ta-da! Whew. This is outfit number something. I'm sorry, I lost count, guys. I really feel bad, I'm sorry. So this is another one of my fancier outfits. From now on, they will be like the dressier side of me. I have a wine-colored cardigan sweater, just like my black one. And I've rolled up the sleeves because that is also very trendy for winter, as you guys probably already know because you guys are awesome. And wine color is very popular for winter, especially when you pair it with gray, as I have done. I also have that same scarf that I have used earlier. It's a very versatile color for winter. If you have any of these in your closet, you're good to go for winter. And then I'm moving on down to the same pants and boots because it looks amazing. So the shoes are again from Payless. My pants are from Tilly's. My jacket and tank top are from Old Navy. And this scarf is from my great grandma actually. So that's pretty awesome. So now I'm going to change into another one of my outfits. Okay, so this is one of my final outfits, but not the last one. This is what I would call perfect for like Christmas or the end of the year before New Year's. So I have the same black sweater as I did before from Old Navy. There's a cool little stripe down the back. And I've paired it with this awesome blanket scarf from Old Navy as well. It's actually got the perfect Christmas colors, which is also winter with the red and the green and the black and the blue and all those fancy colors that work perfect for winter. With this, I have paired this beautiful green flowy tank top shirt. So I have the same jeans from Tilly's, but you could like totally wear black leggings or a skirt or whatever. And the same black boots because they're my fanciest shoes I own and it looks amazing. So I'll give you guys a final twirl. Okay, so this is the last outfit, which is one of my favorites because it's fancy. So I have a blue cardigan sweater, just like Carly's, if you saw her video. I've paired it with this super fancy, but also simple, gray, it's like a shift dress. You can dress this dress up or down depending on where you're going. I've gone for a more casual look with what I'm wearing. And so as you move on down, the dress is at a knees length, which is perfect for winter. And so you can wear this with tights or socks, whatever you prefer. And so I could not decide on a shoe, guys. So comment down below which shoe you like more with this, but I have my Uggs.
Costco
Just
Uggs.
like my Costco Uggs to be comfy, but I also have my boots, which look really fancy, which could dress it up or down. I really couldn't decide, so I showed you guys both. So this was my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more videos in the future. Have a happy New Year's. Bye.